In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates by DWT in Dreamweaver. Templates are a powerful way to keep your website consistent and efficient. A.DWT file holds the overall layout and design for your pages, so you can manage global elements like headers, navigation, and footers in one place, while letting each page have its own unique content where you need it. With that in mind, let's walk through creating a new page from an existing template. First, launch Dreamweaver on your device. Once it opens, give the interface a moment to load your recent projects and sites. If you're working in a specific site, make sure it's selected so Dreamweaver knows which assets and templates to reference. This keeps everything linked correctly. Next, go to the File menu and choose New. This opens the New Document dialog, which is where you decide what kind of document you want to create. You'll see several categories along the side, and it's important to choose the one that connects to your existing site and templates. In the New Document dialog, select the Site Templates category. This section shows templates associated with your current site. If you don't see site templates, it usually means your site hasn't been defined in Dreamweaver yet, or there aren't any templates saved in your site's templates folder. Once your site is properly set up, this category will display your available .dwt files. Now, choose a template from the templates list for the site you're working on. You can usually preview the layout before proceeding, which helps you confirm you're picking the right structure. Remember, a template controls the locked, repeating parts of your design and exposes editable regions for page-specific content. Look for a template that matches the layout and sections you expect to use on this new page. When you're ready, click Create. Dreamweaver will generate a new document based on the selected template and open it in the editor. You'll notice some areas are locked. Those come directly from the template and ensure consistency across your site. Editable regions are where you'll add or update your page's unique content. This approach helps you avoid layout drift and keeps design decisions centralized. If you ever update the template later, pages created from it can inherit those changes, saving you a lot of time. That's it. You've launched Dreamweaver, opened a new document, selected site templates, picked the right template, and created your page. Use this workflow whenever you need to build new pages that align perfectly with your site's design standards.